that's how every rim, as far as I know in the world, gets made on a 3-wheel roller, just like this. Coil goes in here. ID's off these to get us the exact same size every time. This foot comes down. This foot comes down and pushes it out tight to the rollers here. And then this shoe will drop down. And once the shoe drops down, it's all one step. Where the shoe will drop down, the blade comes up and cuts the rims and then goes back down. That's what they look like. Roll and cut it. Make sure it's cut square, but that's it. This is a head 3 rim, so this is bonded onto the carbon, and I think there's some pins in here. Depending on what rim we were making, it might be a welded rim as we progress to that in the future.